Today we are going to study EVN brand. EVN is a mineral water brand, and you can see on the slide, fish is moving towards EVN, and it says there is no compromise. EVN is a French brand. It is owned by the Danone Group. The so parent company is Danone. It entered in the US market in 1978, and it is EVN is selling mineral water. Even is one of the most famous mineral water brands owned by the French food products group Danone. Each year, approximately 150 crore bottles are sold in more than 140 countries across the world. Danone Group uses EVN name for a line of organic skincare products as well as luxury resorts in France. So, along with the mineral water, EVN name brand name is used for the skincare products and luxury resort in France by the Danone Group. Even is a French company that bottles and commercializes mineral water from several resources near Evian-les Bains on the south shore of the Lake Geneva. So uh, the manufacturing plant is in nearby Geneva, and there is uh, Lake Geneva, and there is a small town called Evian-les Bains where they have manufacturing plant. So Geneva is on the border of France and Switzerland. In the in this on the slide, you can see the headquarters of the Evian company organization, and you can also see the map of the France and Switzerland, and where Geneva is situated on the border of the France and Switzerland, and where they have manufacturing plant. There they have manufacturing plant. Brand value of the Evian is almost $1 billion. This is the packaging of the products. For everyday services, we have 300 ml, 500 ml, 750 ml, 1 liter, 1.5 liter. For special occasion, we have 330 ml and 750 ml. And there also even has a facial sprays in 50 ml, 150 ml, and 300 ml. According to the market research company Millward Brown, the Evian brand can be valued at $1 billion. So it is very good amount for a particular brand. The success of the brand is a result of continuous. The success of the brand is the result of continuous innovation and powerful and original communication. So even is like the other case studies which we have studied, like the Philips, like the GE, like the Nike. Uh, uh, this EVN brand is also innovative brand, and it has got very good marketing and uh, advertisement campaign. At the end of the 19th century, EVN brand, which was sourced from a natural spring, became known for its miraculous healing properties, was being sold in pharmacies. So EVN is not just like a normal mineral water. It is a natural spring water. So there are two types of water in mineral water. It's one is ordinary mineral water, tap water, and other is spring water, which is collected from the mountains at some special from some special location. And this mineral water is having some miraculous healing properties. That's why it is sold to the pharmacies. By the mid 1930s, EVN was recommended as the perfect water for the babies. So after that, when the miraculous healing properties found, then it is suggested that it should be given to the babies. And to how they are selling this product to the babies, they use mothers, they use housewives, they use doctors to have very good word of mouth publicity. They can recommend this water to to the others, and they can communicate that this is the perfect water for the babies. Campaigns designed to target mothers, midwives, and doctors were developed consequently. In 1950s, the EVN was still catering to this segment, but its communication added new references to the health, and the theme of the Alps was introduced. So later on, EVN thought that we should communicate to the customer this brand on the on the theme of the health theme, or on the Alps theme, this mountain theme. In 1980s, the brand decided to go in a different direction, and the concept of equilibrium was dropped. The theme of the purity was chosen to differentiate the brand from the competitors and enable high-end positioning of the product. So, how to differentiate between the competitors and the EVN brand? So, they choose the purity theme, purity marketing campaign, and the message was the original. They position EVN brand as most pure brand. It has got highest purity, and that's why they were selling this brand as a premium brand. The company adopted new slogan to reflect this change. The water you drink is as important as the air you breathe. So uh, uh, EVN started communicating to the customers that as you require oxygen, you also require water to survive. In 1998, EVN is in association with its advertiser BTC Paris Advertising Agency launched the hugely successful advertisement campaign Water Babies that had babies swimming in synchronicity, a metaphor through which the brand evoked youth. In France, the approval rating for this advertisement was 94% and the recognition score was 91%. So they outsource their advertisement campaign, marketing campaign to BETC advertising agency, and they come up with the Water Babies because they wanted to show that you have to be youthful at the heart, you have to be young at the heart, and this brand is about enthusiasm, about energy, to remain lively, to remain youth, to remain adult. This campaign of the EVN made the brand evoke youth that had through babies swimming in the synchronicity. This ad was the instant hit and spawned over 25 crore views. It currently holds the record for the most number of views on the YouTube, and it holds Guinness World Record in this category. So the advertisement campaign, that Water Babies campaign, was watched the most. It became a very popular advertisement campaign, and it got a lot of views on the YouTube, and it became uh, they created a Guinness Book of World Record. This is the way they were advertising. Maria Sharapova was the brand ambassador for the EVN, and they were also sponsoring Wimbledon sports. This television commercial had a very strong impact on the collective consciousness of the people. People started watching this advertisement again and again. People started getting attracted towards this advertisement. People started discussing about this advertisement. Globally, the brand focused on the purity and used the slogan "the original." Press advertisement portrayed for example, a beautiful black angel lying on a white cloud who brought down rain with the bottle of Evian, or a mermaid quenching her thirst with the Evian water. So many times they used to associate this brand with the black angel or with the mermaid. Despite the difference in the product positioning based on the markets, the brand has always been conscious of its upscale image. The economic crisis of 2007 and 2009 had a negative effect on the market for mineral water. So during recession period 2007 to 2009, people were not buying luxurious products, and also people were not buying high costlier products like even mineral water. Sales dropped as more and more consumers turned to less expensive water. So consumers turn to less expensive water, brand needs reconstruction or repositioning. During this time, the brand went through a restructure to keep from losing its market. As a result, EVN has a premium and popular positioning in the France, Switzerland, and UK and Belgium, and it is luxury brand in almost all other countries. Why they have a premium brand image in European countries, and why they have luxury brand image in other countries, because in European countries they were selling this brand in superstores, and in other countries they are selling this brand through the exclusive showrooms. So that's why the products which you are selling in the superstore cannot be considered as a luxurious brands. They have to you have to sell these products in exclusive showrooms. This is due to the fact that in Europe the brand is sold in every supermarket, whereas in many other countries across the world the brand is sold only in urban centers. Even generates 50% of its sales outside of the France. So slowly and gradually international sales started growing, and there is a point where they were getting more revenue, more sales outside France. The country of the origin for the EVN is France, and there was a point after that at that point of time Evian started collecting more revenue from outside France sales. A bottle of the Evian can reach three times the price of the regular soft drink. So you can imagine how much costlier this Evian water bottle could be. The brand caters to a very narrow urban market, and it therefore felt the need to unify its brand communication in favor of the something more global. So the products which you are selling in different geographies, in different countries, you need to have one global marketing campaign. It is in this regard that Evian and Bet decided to pick up from where the Water Babies left off and launch Roller Babies campaign. So after Water Babies campaign, they again extended this campaign towards Roller Baby. In this Roller Baby campaign, babies were skating on the road and dancing. So it was shown like that. In 2009, the EVN launched the advertisement campaign EVN Roller Babies. The campaign won a gold award at the London International Award 2009 for the best visual effects. Health and purity of the owls were abandoned in favor of the single message "Live Young." So, uh, in after this Water Babies campaign, Roller Babies campaign, brand started giving message "Live Young." So why they were showing the babies? Because they wanted to feel their customer as they are young at the heart. This advertisement was broadcast around the world and went on to become one of the most watched advertisement ever on the YouTube with 254 million views, and held the Guinness World Record in this category at one point. It was the advertisement of the year for Time Magazine, Wall Street Journal, and The Guardian. It was also the 20% most effective advertisement ever. In Asia, however, the consumers did not understand quite well the relationship between the Evian, seen as the pinnacle of the luxury, and babies on rollers dancing to hip hop music. In Asian countries like India, China, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, people are more price conscious, price sensitive. So they failed to understand that why they are showing the babies dancing on the hip hop music, and what is the relation dancing babies and mineral water bottle, selling mineral water bottle. BTC France advertising agency then had the idea of creating T-shirts with the images of the babies' bodies, and launched a campaign showing people of all ages dressed in these T-shirts. So you can see on the screen that this type of T-shirts they launch in the market, especially in the Asian market, to gain more brand awareness. This EVN's campaign main targets to make the brand market in Asia. Even launched the T-shirt with the images of the baby bodies, and this campaign got huge social success globally and created EVN's brand awareness. With this, the advertisers wanted to represent their brand as one that keeps adults young at the heart. So the reason behind showing the babies in the advertisement was to convey that the customer should remain young at the heart. The T-shirts were huge success globally and created the desired brand awareness. In 2013, the EVN launched "Baby and Me" campaign, its third major campaign with BTC advertising agency since 1998. This commercial used the baby and adult mirror dancing concept to highlight their "Live Young" slogan. The idea behind this video was to allow the consumers to reconnect with their inner child in line with the brand promise. So, uh, Even brand wanted their customers to customers should get connected with their inner child. Since 2009, EVN's global brand communication strategy has been focused on both digital and traditional media. So, EVN was having very good balance of social media marketing campaign and traditional media marketing campaign. With the web, that is internet, EVN can target precisely and reach masses easily, and is one of the top brands viewed online. So you must be knowing that with the Facebook marketing campaign, you can target the people with whom you want to show your advertisement. You can customize by geography, you can customize by demographic characters like age, education, income, and other details. So it was very convenient to target target group using social media. The brand has also always cultivated a strong presence outside the internet. So on they have used hoardings, they have used bus stops, they have used a lot of things to print advertisement. They have used apart from the online advertisement or social media advertisement. Since 2007, it has carried out several promotional operations with the limited edition glass bottles signed by the major designers such as Paul Smith, AC Miyake, and Kenzo. Uh, they come up with the one more promotional strategy, that they come up with the very good limited edition glass bottles, and they were signed by the popular designers like Paul Smith, AC, and Kenzo. EVN has also been credited with the creating a first women's golf open championship. Today it is considered to be one of the major tournaments in Europe and is broadcast live on the television in 167 countries. EVN is the official water brand for the Wimbledon tennis tournament. The brand is also sponsoring Paris Fashion Show. So slowly, gradually, EVN started sponsoring some sports competition. They also started sponsoring fashion shows. Maria Sharapova and Madison Keys were the brand ambassadors of the EVN. In addition to this, uh, EVN supports a variety of causes liked to its brand territory. So EVN is also working in EVN is also sponsoring some of the social activities, CSR activities. It is committed to the protection of the environment through creation of the schools of the water to help the population manage their water resources in an autonomous and sustainable way. So, EVN brand is helping uh, some of the NGOs to work in water conservation, preventing water pollution, then providing safe and clean drinking water to the people and to the poor people and the rural areas. So EVN is also helping some of the social activities, some of the NGOs who are into water related social activities. It has developed partnership with the Red Cross and offers fellowships in pediatrics, thereby affirming its positioning on health and children. So, EVN is working with the Red Cross in child health uh, segment, in childhood area. In April 2008, EVN created EVN Water Protection Institute to work on three water and wetlands management projects with the Ramsar Convention. The three areas where the projects will take place are Thailand's Bangkok, the La Plata Basin in Argentina, and Jagdishpur Reservoir in Nepal. So they are also working on some projects. They identified three projects in Thailand, Argentina, and Nepal. EVN has also taken initiative to cut their own energy and water usage by incorporating post-consumer recycled PET plastic into the bottle sizes that receive the most sales. So EVN is working on the recycling. EVN is working how to dispose the plastic waste that is generated by their product. The company has joined with the Recycle Bank in an effort to get consumers to recycle. Recycle Bank is an award based company that gives participating household redeemable points according to the amount of material they recycle. So, with the help of Recycle Bank organization, EVN organization, EVN companies addressing, they are insisting their customers to participate in recycling. During 2018, the EVN announced that it will make all of its plastic bottles from 100% recycled plastic by 2025, a move that will see Natural Spring Water brand adopt a circular approach to its plastic usage, where the plastic is kept within the economy and out of the nature. So they don't want to pollute the nature. They don't want to they don't want to unnecessary use not recyclable plastic. They have very big ambition. They want to use recyclable raw material to manufacture plastic bottles, and they will do it by 2025. In order to achieve 2025 ambition, even is partnering with the breakthrough technology companies, one of which is Loop Industry. Loop Industry has developed a technology that enables a continuous loop for recycling at large scale, transforming all types of PET plastic waste into the high quality plastic required by EVN. So EVN is taking the help of just we said Recycle Bank and Loop Industries. During April 2020, EVN became the first Danone brand to achieve carbon neutrality. So we'll summarize this case study. EVN is very popular brand. EVN is very famous brand of mineral water. Country of origin is France, and parent group is Danone Group. Danone Group is also selling food products. EVN is selling 150 crores bottles every year. Brand value of the EVN is 1 billion. Brand is innovative brand. EVN brand is innovative brand, and it has got very good marketing and advertisement campaign. It is believed that EVN mineral water has miraculous healing properties, and this water is perfect for the babies. To communicate this, they have uh, they have used doctors, housewives, mothers, and these people can recommend that this is the perfect water for the babies. So there's a good word of mouth publicity they are using. Then they are using health theme. They are using Alps theme. Alps is the mountain. They are saying that this is the mountain water. This is good for the health. They are also using purity theme, and the message which they are giving is this is the original water which you are getting from the mountain or from the spring. The water you drink is as important as air you breathe. So water is as important as oxygen. Then they asked BTC advertising agency to prepare marketing campaign. BTC advertising company come up with the very popular, very famous marketing campaign, that is Water Babies marketing campaign, in which it is shown that babies are swimming in a particular order in synchronicity, and that advertisement became very popular, and it got a lot of views on the YouTube. EVN is also associating their brand with the Black Angel and Mermaid. During 2007 and 2009, we had global recession. During that recession, the demand for the EVN brand was decreased. Sale of the EVN brand is decreased. It was required to restructure. It was required to reposition this brand. Then after that, 50% of the sale started coming from the international market, uh, apart from the France, the domestic market, the country of origin for the for the EVN is France. So more than 50% of the sales started coming outside the France, because they started diversifying, because they started diversifying and expanding into international market. That's why their majority of sales started coming outside France. EVN is a premium brand, luxurious brand, so it is costlier brand. It is three times costlier than the. It is more than three times costlier than the soft drink. BTC advertising campaign again come up with the Roller Babies campaign after the Water Babies campaign, and this campaign received Gold Award at the London International Awards 2009. Many people appreciated it created Guinness World of Guinness Book of World Record. With this advertisement, roller babies and water babies, they are giving the message that live young at heart. Adult people should be young at the heart. This advertisement television commercial gathered 25 crore views on the YouTube. This advertisement was also appreciated by the Time magazine, by the Wall Street Journal, and by the Guardian. After that, they did not stop to enter into the Asian market. They come up with the T-shirts with the images of the baby. After that, they come up with the Baby and Me campaign, where they showed that adult people, teenagers were dancing, looking at the mirror. In mirror, they were watching their childhood image. And even nowadays has very good presence in social media. Also, they are using traditional media, so they have proper very good balance of online and offline. Evian is the brand which is mostly viewed online. It is the top brand viewed online. Then again Evian has come up with the one more promotional strategy, that is they launched limited edition glass bottles, and these bottles were signed by the top designers, very popular designers. Then Evian started sponsoring some of the sports competition like Women's Golf Open Championship, Wimbledon tennis tournament. It also sponsored Paris Fashion Show. Evian is also there helping NGOs to perform social activities. Evian is helping NGOs in water harvesting, water conservation, and providing safe and clean drinking water to the poor people and in the rural area. Uh, EVN has created a lot of schools of water. EVN also has created Water Protection Institute. EVN is helping Red Cross to because Red Cross is working in the health sector and in child health sector. EVN want their customer to see the EVN brand as a customer friendly brand, eco friendly brand. They are cutting down their energy and water usage in their factories, in their organization, in their plant. Evian is also working on recycling of the plastic bottles. Evian has kept the target by 2025. They will use a raw material which is recyclable. They are using recyclable raw material to manufacture plastic bottles. They are taking the help of the Recycle Bank and Loop Industries to achieve the target they set for the 2025. Even organization has achieved carbon neutrality, and this is the first organization who achieved uh, carbon neutrality in Danone Group. Now there are two questions. Evian is a global mineral water brand that is sold to millions of the people across the world. Analyze the reasons for its success. So Evian has very good marketing campaign that we have seen. Evian is also sponsoring some of the sports competition. Evian is also helping NGOs, and these NGOs are working in water harvesting, water bodies protection, and providing safe and clean drinking water to the people. Evian is also working in the recycling. Evian is also working. Evian want the Evian brand to be seen as an eco-friendly brand. Evian is also working with the Loop Industries and Recycle Bank, and they have set the goal that 20, by 2025 they will uh, uh, prepare plastic water bottles which are 100% recyclable. There some of the marketing campaign got very good success, like Water Babies campaign, Roller Babies campaign, and Baby and Me campaigns. There some of the initiatives like having t-shirts with the image of baby was very successful. Again they come up with the limited edition glass bottles on which they started taking they took the signature of the popular world famous designers. Then they have very good presence online and offline. Brand value of the Evian is also good, and it is believed that Evian has miraculous healing properties. Evian has is not communicating customers that it is mineral water brand, rather they are communicating it is spring water or the mineral, it is mountain water. uh, even is focusing on the health, even is focusing on the purity, even is focusing on the place from where they are getting this water, this mountain water. Whenever required, EVN restructure itself, reposition itself, and it is the only company who has achieved carbon neutrality in Danone Group. Second question was the can any other mineral water brand ever take over the EVN's market share? Yes, it is possible because if you understand market customers need and requirement, any brand can take over the EVN brand. In India, we have Himalaya brand, and there are many companies which want to enter into the mineral water segment because it is going to be a huge water. It is going to be a huge segment in the future. If you have very good product and if you are using very good marketing campaign, any company, any organization can beat EVN. So this is the case study which we are discussing today. So this is the Water Babies campaign, and we discussed that EVN is very good at advertisement. They have very creative advertisement campaign. So Water Babies campaign, Live Young campaign. Water Babies campaign got 94% approval rating and 91% recognition score. Live Young campaign was very popular. It got 25 crore views on the YouTube. While developing advertisement, EVN is working on the five M's, that is mission, money, message, media, and measurement. Under mission, they are considering what are the advertisement objective. Under the money, they are considering how much money can be spent on and how to allocate the spending across the media types. The message should be right. They are considering what should the advertisement campaign should say. Then media, which media should be used is the concern they have. Then in the measurement, they under the measurement they are working on how to evaluate their results. So this is the way they are launching successful marketing campaigns. Then they are reaching to the audience with the help of television commercial, print advertisement, and some of the T-shirts on which they are showing baby images. They are doing a lot of social responsibility work. They are working a lot on in CS. They are working a lot in CSR segment, in CSR area. They are preserving water, conserving water. They are providing safe and clean drinking water, safe and clean drinking water to the people. They are helping NGOs who are working to restore natural water ecosystem. Then they are recycling their water bottles. They are reducing their energy usage, water usage in their plants. They are reducing carbon emission, CO2 emission. Mission of the EVN company is to provide purest water untouched by the man. They are also promoting healthy lifestyle. The third point is work. Their work with the local players to protect and restore the wetlands resources. Fourth point is reduce poverty and improve communities' living conditions. They have given a lot of messages. First message was the force of balance. Second was the water you drink is as important as the air you breathe or the oxygen. The third is the original or the purity platform, and the fourth one was the Live Young. Under Live Young, we have Water Babies campaign, Water Babies advertisement, then Roller Babies advertisement, Baby and Me advertisement. Under the original message, with the original message, they started communicating purity of the product, and they have very good marketing campaigns that we have discussed. You can see this type of packaging they have. Then they are considered as a spring water. Aquafina considered as a purified water, but Fiji and Evian brands are considered to be as a spring water, and they are costlier products. And in this way, they are advertising their product on the billboards, on the buses, on the bus stop. On the internet, they have very good presence on the Facebook, in the print advertisement, on the television commercial, uh, then on the Twitter, on the YouTube, and at last they are saying don't just drink, even it. They have also received award for their packaging design. Even display using Fusion top liner of this Sip Sappi wins the German packaging award. So this is the way Evian brand is working. These are some of the marketing strategies Evian is using. So this is all about this case study. Thank you so much.